Z varies directly as a product of X and Y, and inversely as their sum. If Z equals to 3, and when X equals to 3, and Y equals to 1, what is the value of Z if X equals to 3 and Y equals to 3? Now, solution to the problem. Solution. From the first statement, Z varies directly as the product of X and Y. What is meant by product of X and Y? Product of X and Y means X times Y. That is XY. That's the product of X and Y. And inversely as a sum, as their sum. What is meant by their sum? That is the sum of X and Y. Sum means what? The meaning of sum is X plus Y. That is their sum. X plus Y. Now, it means that now we can now reframe the question. Z varies directly as what? As XY. So we can write this. Z varies directly as XY. And inversely as their sum, that is inversely as X plus Y. It will be divided by X plus Y. Anything inversely, that particular variable or the expression will be at denominator. Y directly will be at numerator. So now, we need to remove the symbol of variation, then we bring in the constant of variation. So how do we do that? We have Z equals to what? KXY divided by X plus Y. Now we are done with the first statement. Now let's move to the second statement. If Z equals to 3, we are given Z to be equals to 3, then when what? Z is 3 when X equals to 3 and Y equals to 1. And Y equals to 1. So in this case, it means that we can now substitute. Anywhere we see Z, we put what? Anywhere we see Z, we put 3. Then we have K into, anywhere we see X, we also put 3. Anywhere we see Y, we put in 1. Then also we substitute our denominator. X is what? 3 and Y is 1. So it means that what? 3 equals to K times 3 times 1. What is that? That is 3K. Divided by 3 plus 1. What's 3 plus 1? 4. So the next thing for us to do is to cross multiply. So we cross multiply from here. What do we have? This is like 3 over 1. Then cross multiplying, we have 3K times 1. We have 3K. And we have 3 times 4. What do we have? 12. How do we find K now? We divide both side by what? By the coefficient of K, which is 3. So we have 3K divided by 3 is equals to what? 12 divided by 3. Then 3 here 1, 3 here 1. So it means that K equals to what? 12 divided by 3. That is what? 4. We can now write the relationship between, what? Between Z, X, and Y from here. So how do we get that? We go back to this, to what we have here, to write the relation between Z, X, and Y. Now let's write that. So it means that Z will be equal to what? From here, what is the value of K? K is 4. So we have 4 from here. Anywhere we see K, we replace it with 4. 4xy divided by what? X plus Y. This is the relationship connecting Z, X, and Y. Now let's go back to the question. What is the value of Z if X equals to 3 and y equals to 3. Now, given x equals to 3 and y equals to 3, now we want to look for z. I'll put question mark for z. It means that for us to get this, anywhere we see x here, we put x equals to 3. And anywhere we see y here, we put y equals to 3. So we now have 4 into what? X, which is 3. Then y, which is what? 3 also. Divided by x plus y. That is divided by what? 3 plus 3. Now, it means that z equals to what? Z equals to 4 times 3, which is 12, times 3. What do we have? 12 times 3, that is 36. Divided by 3 plus 3, which is 6. So Z equals to what? 36 divided by 6. What do you have? 6. So it means Z equals to 6. It means that when X equals to 3 and Y equals to 3, what's the value of Z? Z equals to 6. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.